Hello and welcome back everyone to my channel. MrCarMAN here. Today I have my Jaguar XF and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how you can remove the back seat. So to lift this bottom cushion, you're going to go here, and right down here, as you guys can see, this little cutout right here, it's a button. You're going to basically do this. You see that? The second you flick it out, the seat starts to get lifted. And it's the same case on the other side. So again, as you guys are seeing, it's right here in this black tab. Just like that. And to remove the safety buckle, there's this line right here, and you're going to just grab a thin screwdriver and stick it in. And with that out of the way, you're going to slowly maneuver around the seat belt. You might have to give one a push down and it'll come right out. And as I was expecting, there is some junk underneath the seat, but I wanted to share with you guys this quick and easy way to remove the back seat from your Jaguar XF. And if you guys enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button. And until then, this is MrCarMAN. I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.